Welcome to Tablescape Tuesdays. This is hosted every Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the guest today is Jubilee Tablescapes, and her theme she chose is hydrangeas. And as you can see, I have a live hydrangea plant as my centerpiece that I purchased from Lowe's. And then I have these decoupaged Easter eggs that I used vintage page book pieces, and then I just tied a piece of twine around it. And there's a couple of them that I used a button, and I just hot glued it to it. And I have some faux flowers, this faux hydrangea, and a green rose, and some purple flowers as well. I think these hydrangeas are so pretty. Now, I do have some hydrangeas in my garden, but they haven't started to bloom yet. Now, these will eventually go in my garden, but they are one of my favorite plants. Now, as far as my place setting, I'm going to start with this really pretty scalloped plate with flowers, a bird cage. I like how it's gold edged. And it is, if you could read that, I believe it reads just alpha. And then my dinner plate is this really pretty blue plate with etched flowers and a butterfly. I've had this several years. It is, let's see, the Woodland Cottage Collection. And as you can see, it was only $2. That was the Dollar General. I think this is a very pretty plate. And then for the charger, it is a white charger. And I recently just gave it a distressed look on the edges. I was trying to just emphasize it more because it was a solid white and it's just black on the back. But I think that looks really nice. Y'all have to let me know what you think. Now for the napkin. It's a cream color that I've had for a very long time. I put a beaded tassel ring around it and then just stuck the fork inside. And here is another one of those decoupaged egg with the button glued on. And here's my cup and saucer. That was my mom's. And a really pretty large wine glass. Again, that was the Dollar General. And it's quite heavy. It's made very well. I think that was only $2. And also I've got a beautiful white lace runner in the middle of the table. And with a crystal candle holder and a spiral blue colored candle. So here's an overview of my hydrangea tablescape for today. Well, I want to thank Anna from the Grace Life DIY and also Jubilee Tablescapes for being the guest host today. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And I want to wish everyone a happy Easter. Bye-bye for now.